So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone control center not showing or not working after new iOS 17 update. A lot of iPhone users reported that issue on their iPhone. If you're also facing that issue, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on control center or how to fix the control center issue on iPhone. As you can see, this is iPhone XS and right now it's running on latest iOS update. So you can see a person screen. When I try to open the control center, you can see a person screen, control center not showing up in my iPhone right now. So how to fix that issue? Just close and open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to scroll down and you can see appears on screen control center. Tap on that. Now you can see appears on screen access within apps. You can see appears on screen. This option is turned off by default when you update latest iOS update. If you also see that option turn off, just turn it on and close all tabs again. Now open control center again. You can see appears on screen control center is open and working well after that setting. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix control center not showing up or not working after iOS update. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.